Hello, this is Dustin again with Botcopy. Just wanted to follow up with everybody from yesterday's pre-workshop for the Chatbot conference. That would be on April 28th and 29th. Now on the 29th, we're going to have a full day workshop, and we can really dive further into your bot development needs. And unfortunately, there's no one size fits all for any bot or any company. But what I've gone ahead and done, based on some of the feedback and questions that we got, was built a little pre-built agent for people to kind of get off the ground with. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now. Cool. All right. So just to recap, yesterday we went over intents, entities, and then also kind of showed you behind the scenes in Botcopy. Now, for those who don't know, Botcopy is a front-end chat interface for Dialogflow. So we not only provide a rich custom front end for you to deploy your chat experience, you can manipulate the color themes, host all sorts of rich content, but it's actually quite intelligent itself. Okay? If you went into your browser settings and changed your default language, you would see that the bot and widget is going to render in that language as well. We can pass ref parameters for those who have marketing needs and all sorts of fun things that we can get into later. But let's go back into Dialogflow. So intents. In this pre-built, I set you off with a welcome intent. Now, your welcome intent is for your website. It's typically what you'll see on the home page. Now, with Botcopy, you can set each page to a different intent. But for this purpose, we'll just start with welcome. So we started here with, hi, I'm Keystroke. What brings you here today? Now, Keystroke's the name of our bot. You can change this to whatever you'd like. We just recommend keeping this short and sweet and allow people to kind of either chime in with their own questions or set up a few suggestion chips for them to click on. Usually you want to have these tied closely to your top FAQs or reason why people would engage with the chat in the first place. So we set up 3 for you off of the bat, and then a capture email. So you'll see them here. If you went into intent A, it's not going to show up anything besides what you would probably write for yourself. The same would apply for intent B and C. So just go ahead and map your own FAQs there. It's all laid out for you if you went into the intents themselves. I labeled these FAQ. I switched to FAQ recently. So you'll see in this Google Assistant response that you can feel free to put your own input here and have other suggestion chips and kind of drive them down the chat. Now we do accept all the Google Assistant response types that come native here into Dialogflow. And then if you're getting a little more technical and having webhooks or fulfillment calls, feel free to use the fulfillment section. You'll just need to use the Google Actions payloads. Okay. And then finally in this chat, I'm going to go ahead and start over. Let's do the capture email flow. So let's say you go and just for context, I don't always find it the best to mandate capturing an email before you can continue the conversation. Some people want some quick answers, but there's parts within a conversation that are a little bit easier and better to capture an email. So here, if we have the capture an email flow, it says, please provide your email below. If I don't provide my email and send something like that, doesn't look like an email. So they can either click if they have another question, or let's just continue with my email. Thank you. So it got it. It recognized it. Now that email is going to be stored in your history here. Now everybody uses a little bit different of a CRM. So if you want to send these emails to a spreadsheet, to a CRM, or anything like that, I'll provide a few example links and YouTube videos for you to hook that up as well. We often use SendGrid. So if anybody's using SendGrid and wants a little bit of help on capturing an email, sending it to a list in SendGrid, just reach out and let me know. Otherwise, that's the basics, and we can dive further into all sorts of chat needs and see you, hopefully, at the conference, April 28th and 29th. Again, I'm Dustin, and it was great seeing everybody today. We had so many people from all over the world, yesterday, attend. So appreciate you. Hope you're all staying safe during this time. And I'm pretty easy to get a hold of at dust@botcopy.com. Okay, see you guys next time. Ciao.